my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. I just want to, share this with us. Yesterday, you go to 47 responded to the fallback, the opposite Mozo, and it was not funny because because of fundraising that people couldn't stream that because of one thing or another, and the fundraising went on, and it was very very successful. In fact, people who actually trying to who were expecting people to talk about it, believing to mock Biafrans because of the fundraising, and at the same time trying to celebrate that people couldn't stream that. They were expecting failure because they went to Finland to do some hugging and some, you know, get together. They normally do, which is typical DOS style. Every year, carrying flag, having carnival in the street of Europe. Went to, go to Geneva, go to embassies. Just keep on moving in the street of Europe in the name of protest and trying to create awareness, which they claim that that is what they do for them. They will get freedom by creating awareness from ages to ages. That didn't go down well with many Biafrans, but some of them are saying they don't care as long as that is what they do, because they are working in different country of the world, in different country in the world. Some in Asia, Japan, for example, North Korea, not North Korea, South Korea, and in Vietnam, even in Belgium, Australia, Switzerland, London of UK, London, and France, many places. They often carry flag from year to year, especially on 30th of May. They will go, the Mass Americanos wife will come there as a guest, and they sit down, have fun, use public address system, talk what say what they want to say, and go home. And some of them will end up making new girlfriend and all that. All these things is what they do annually, just because they time that date for them to come together to have fun, like going vacation, something like that. That's what it is to them. Vacation period. Go, map out one location in Europe and gather there and celebrate it. Carry Biafran flag and march out, do carnival and go home, wait for another year, come back again, do the same thing. That's what they do. All right. Now they look some of them moved to from US to fallback republic, and what they do now is to wait and see if there's any fallout, any agreement with the Biafrans in USB government, and they will jump out celebrating that prematurely. Because why I say prematurely, because as they were celebrating that Dotage resigned without even bothering to know why she resigned, without even bothering to know if she is support or she's now against USB, against Biafra. Just like this past Saturday fundraising, because it was not streamed on YouTube, they have come out and begin to say all manner of unprintable stuff against Ugo 247. Oh, that will go run away from her madam. And then I work madam kwa ndị agaduwa baby. Agaduwa baby tileti, tiri jajaja. Ego ni wero, contact adoro amamihe adịkwa dị. Ka ezi nke anyị ga baby dey jide ka Chineke mekwere mmadụ ebele. Now, they said that Ugo 247 ran away and they left her madam alone, and all that. Ugo came out yesterday and begin to dismantle them the way they deserve. The same thing happened that Dr. Agee, resigned. They don't care. Oh, let us go there. Before I go further, let me encourage you, let me beg you, let me ask you to like the video, share it to many platforms of your choice. Put your comment. I want to hear from you. What do you think? What you are seeing here on the screen is the Twitter handle of Dr. Agee. So she tweeted this what you are seeing here just yesterday, in solidarity with the USB government. Even though she resigned, does not mean that she's against USB government, because being against the USB government is like being against Biafra. You understand what that means? Because some of you in the mushroom they turn at their brain will somehow believe that okay, let me if attacking Ngozi Arabeze, because to you, in your own little brain, Ngozi Arabeze, DPM, CS, who happened to be the leader holding the movement for PM and doing marvelously well. Okay, some of you actually believe, hey, USB is her second name. You are doing it for her. Difference between you and her is that she's not here to enrich herself. No, she's not here to make you believe that she's more powerful and more. In fact, she's the goddess. No, all this nonsense that some of us are believing is laughable. And she have done a very marvelous work. Like I said, she's not shying away from what she's doing. USB is for Biafra, not for one person. Just like IPOB is for Biafra, not for Mazen Namadu Kano. But as a leader, you have to accord her that respect. Accord her that respect because yesterday we welcomed one of our brother, a Biafran person, who told us that he is one of the food soldier in our land, and he was trying to argue with us, me especially, that COS and is not doing it well. Like, I don't understand. You say she's not doing it well, but at the same time, you believe that Ogekere is doing it well. At the same time, you say that you don't care about Ogekere, you don't care about Siha, that it's not about who is the leader, that you guys don't have permanent friend and permanent enemy. But last time I checked, I cannot recall when you are permanent, when you are permanent, when you are not even permanent, when you are temporarily friends with the CS, because you have been a friend to Ogenkere, and you may want us to believe that you are it's not permanent, it's a temporary. Okay, since you are doing it, there's some kind of allocation of a friendship. I have not seen you allocating that friendship to COS for once. So that kind of so, but this video is not about that. I just want to remind you how some of us can reason, because Dr. Agee here is very sensible, smart and intelligent, age-wise, life experience, everything is there. Very matured. Academically, she's up there. Financially, she's there. Yet, people are looking down. Oh, Dr. Agee said, Dr. Agee don't say. Nobody is angel. Nobody is an angel. So don't expect her to be your archangel. No. But the little that she is doing for Biafran is okay. Only educated people will understand that when you resign, you don't need to go toe to toe to fight the government. If you have a problem with US, deal with it. Like, make it personal. Are you able to separate Paul from Barnabas? If you can, then that is how smart, how intelligent you can. So I am here to send my greetings to her, to appreciate her for not only sharing this, because sharing it is not premeditated. Some of us eventually believe that she's against government, or she resigned because she can't stand the ills of the current government. She can't stand the corruption. Oh, she can't stand the weaknesses. So she can't stand. You keep on mentioning anything that comes to your mind, because that is what somehow you are hoping and believing that is what is going on in the government. But guess what? It is not true. So she came out and shared this, made this post, on her own wall, in solidarity, like I told you, of USB. Look at it here. Some of you may say, but sit at home is for everybody. Now it's not fun. Now let's go through some of the things that she shared. Here, remember this 10 hours ago. Don't tell me this post was 19 Brigidim. No, it's not 19 Brigidim. Here, when you look at here, what do you see? United States of Biafra, United States of Biafra. That's USBG. Okay, so United States of Biafra government. That's what it means. And she did not end there. She did not end there. Let me also go to her page and share you some of her current tweet. So this is Dr. Age's official page. When you come down here, you see she shared this. This is from David Harbour channel, 42 minutes ago. Wow, you can see it. Harvard is this channel. It belongs to what's the name of this our brother? choose. I wanted to say Dr. Choose. Maybe Choose is a doctor. Then you come down here. Then the post that actually made me to write on it is this one, the one of 10 hours ago. Okay, you come down here, and she said she shared other things, other stuff here. She shared other stuff here. Oh, she even shared my own my broadcast. Okay, thank you so much. This is my own Kai reports. You can see it here. These are late night broadcasts. So the list go on and on. I just want us to understand that it's not a kind of targeted on anybody. So her resignation is not a crime like a white like this white painted head woman, the Ezenago of Ndi Okozo Mozo, and some of these DS hideout in Briggy. They are trying to make it look like it's a something special, like something terrible. That's not what it is. And she have done it, the way it's supposed to be. I have to say thank you so much, man. God bless you. And that is it. So please like the video and tell me what you think about it. What is your own take on her resignation and her response to the fallback that are yapping nonsense, trying to be relevant when they are not? God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now.